Kiyo, did Mama block you in? Did she block you in? Even though you have wings and you could easily get over these paper towels. Did she block you in? You trying to get around them? Are you blocked in? Are you blocked in? Are paper towels your mortal enemy? Are you blocked in? Do you need me to rescue you? Even though I'm the one who did it to you. There you go. Can you get out now? You need them all gone. You need them all gone. Is that it? Yeah. Mortal enemy, attack. You're suddenly a lot more valiant after you're not surrounded. I see how it is. Meow.